Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Bitcoin wallet. First, you need to decide which type of wallet best suits your needs. Hardware wallets, like a Ledger or Trezor, offer the highest security, ideal for storing large amounts offline. Software wallets, such as mobile or desktop apps, provide convenience for frequent transactions. Think about your personal security preferences and how often you plan to access your Bitcoin before making your choice. Once you have chosen your wallet type, the next step is setting it up. Download the official application directly from the provider's website or a reputable app store to avoid scams. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet. During this process, you will be given a unique seed phrase, often consisting of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds, so write it down precisely and store it in a very safe, private location, completely offline. Security is paramount when dealing with Bitcoin. Always enable two-factor authentication on your wallet and any related accounts, adding a critical second layer of protection. Create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your seed phrase or private keys. These are the master keys to your funds, and keeping them secret is 100% essential for your financial safety. With your wallet set up and secured, you are ready to fund it. Purchase Bitcoin from a trusted exchange and then send it to your unique wallet address. When making transactions, always double-check the recipient's address to ensure accuracy, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Finally, regularly update your wallet software. Developers frequently release updates that include important security patches and new features, helping to keep your funds safe and your wallet functioning optimally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.